Welcome to Christ College Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, Khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Katkum katulong KHUBOR balaay na ka-office jong ka Holy See, kalapintip ba ka Inaugural Mass jong upop Leo bakatsaw, ubadang syusyajit ha ka Tarik u Jymmang arajar apusan, kanlong ha ka kat Tarik u Jymmang arajar apusan, ha palaw jong ka ying maniba u Petrus bakot. Kani ka mas kande ka mas baningkong jong u na kabenta ki Peit ba, ha palaw katay ka ying maniba. Katay ka KHUBOR ka loong ru, baka mas kan sedang ha kapor sipaw bajimin step ha kapor ru. Syosyo katay ka office u kapabakot, kala ay ru kini ki program jong kapabakot u pop Leo bakatsaw, ha kini kitayaw banwan. Sipaw Tarik u Jymmang kasngi satjan, kajingya kendo bat ki cardinal, katway Tarik Jymmang kasngi utray, kajing duay kublay kusim na kaying maniba u Petrus bakot, Kat Tarik Jymmang kasngining kong, kajingya kendo bat kilat patay KHUBOR jong kaperthay. Kat nriw Tarik Jymmang kasngit hoding, kajingya kendo bat kinong Peit jong commission. Kat Tarik Jymmang kasngi utray sipaw bajimin step ka Inaugural Mass hapalaw jong kaying maniba. Arpaw Tarik Jymmang kasngi baar, kajing shimti ka basilika jong Paulus bakot kabadon syabar ka kenro jong ka Rome. Arpuay Tarik u Jymmang kasngi balang kajing pediang yi kinongwan ban kendo yo pop akasin baningkong. Arpusaw Tarik u Jymmang kasngi satjan kajing ya kendo bat kinong tray jong ka Roman Curia bat kinong tray jong ka Vatican. Arpusan Tarik u Jymmang kasngi utray kajing duay kublay kusim bat kajing ay mat pusan. Kajing shimti ya ka basilika papal jong u Yohanes bakot. Kajing shimti ka basilika people jong kamaria ka kini ublay.